nga. Look at that. Oh. Nababakabalin, welcome to Pampanga. For today's video, nandito po tayo ngayon sa Ayala Marquee Mall, Angeles City, and we were invited by Gugu Manju. So this is the first and one-of-a-kind Korean mini cake dito po sa Pampanga. Guys, if you wanna know more about this, samahan niyo po. It's gonna be great. Let's go! Alright, so this is it. Moment of truth. For the first time, titikman natin ang mga manju. This is a to-go packaging. Pagpasok mo dito sa cinema, parang ito na yung dadalhin mo. Tingnan na natin. This is how it looks like. Ayun, no? It's like a corn. And then, I'm not sure what flavor is it. Oh, it's custard. Look at that. Ang sarap. Ang sarap, mainit pa. It's actually really soft up until the inside. Outer niya, a little bit crusty. Konting-konti lang. I wish this is actually another flavor para matikman natin lahat. Oh, so meron na akong clue. I think this is chocolate flavor. And look at that. Wow. Ayan, no? Let's taste it. For the chocolate, I think it's a little bit bitter. Para siyang dark chocolate yung dating sa akin. Actually guys, yung packaging nito is nasasara siya. Just like this. Ayun. I hope this is strawberry. Wala akong idea dito. I hope it's strawberry. Oh yes! Strawberry nga. Look at that. Oh.
Manju is Korean mini cake. May feeling talaga siya sa loob.
Encounter po namin ng manju is sa Cebu. Doon namin siya natikman. We heard that manju is already existing also in places in Luzon, but not here in Pampanga. So yun yung first encounter namin. Nasarapan kami kasi it's freshly baked. Yung feelings niya masarap din. May strawberry, custard, chocolate.
Yung 2-in-1, applicable talaga siya pang cinema. O di kaya yung on the go ka, na meron ng manju na 10 manju tapos may milk tea ka na.
Refreshments, we have classic flavor, choco, matcha or green tea, strawberry, winter melon, and other flavors na pagpipilian nila.
Speaking of flavors, which ones are your favorite? Doon sa manju tsaka sa refreshment?
To be honest, strawberry. Nasarapan ako. Kaya yung strawberry talaga sa lahat.
But I go for choco, for the manju. Siya yung favorite ko na flavor ng manju. My name is Cha or Charissa.
My name is Joshua. I'm the owner of Gugu Manju dito sa Marquee Mall.
Visit us at level 3, Ayala Marquee Malls, beside SNR New York Pizza Style. Nano Babo Kavalan! Thank you po, sir.
First of a kind, although these kinds of cakes are yung parang waffles, kumbaga magkakapinsan-pinsan yan. For me, I think this is very cool. Okay lang din siya if you are traveling or even walking. You can actually eat. If you wanna go to the next destination dito sa Marquee Mall, while you're eating, you're still gonna arrive there. Now for the refreshment, this is 1 liter strawberry drink. Again, thank you so much for your time for watching this video, and congratulations din Gugu Manju for opening up dito po sa Pampanga, dito sa Angeles City. This is first of a kind. This is really, really new. This is hip. Napaka K-pop. So if you're into these kinds of food, guys, gotta check them out. They're located po dito sa 3rd level ng Marquee Mall, Angeles City. Malapit naman po sila sa cinema. Alright, so there you have it, guys. If you like this video, if you like the food you saw in this video, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends. We hope to see you in the next one. Cheers!